ruined everything.
Well, hello again. I got another one. You interested?
That's so.
How's things, Alden?
Good. All right, this is a little different. Take the coach and deliver it to my contact. He'll pay you well for it. It's a fragile cargo, so go easy.
Okay, but the money best be right.
Oh, it is, Arthur. I promise, it's very right.
Yep.
You lost or something?
Hello? Your back left wheel seems shaky to me. Looks like it's about to come off.
Yeah? Ah, shit. Maxwell, go take a look.
Right.
Yep. Easy. Get up.
Don't dawdle. Mark it up inside.
Got something here for you.
The hell you done to this poor thing? Spend it wisely.